Now, you probably already know that we make an excellent range of professional power tools for trade, but did you know that we also have tools that are even more specialised?
These tools are more precise and far longer lasting. So let's take a look at some of the items from the range.
So as you can see in front of us, we've got three 18-volt power tools that might look quite similar to a number of power tools within the professional power tool range. However, if you look a little closer, you'll see they have a slightly different naming structure.
These start with an I, which stands for industrial.
This product in front of me is an IDS, so an industrial impact wrench.
And these two machines over here are ISRs, so industrial drill drivers.
Now, these kinds of products are used for things like manufacture and assembly. These can be used in the automotive industry, agriculture, and even used in the assembly of renewable energy products.
Even light-duty assembly work when it comes to production lines.
That's right. Now, one thing that's really important to tools like this is they need to be accurate, exceptionally accurate when it comes to torque. So we're looking at the range of within a 10% tolerance. At worst, maybe 15 to 20%, depending on the types of production you're doing. They also need to have a really high durability. We're talking about, for example, in regards to the trigger actuations, at least 1 million actuations.
Million cycles. Yeah.
Exactly. When it comes to ergonomics, they still need to be good, and these products typically need to have some form of connectivity. The first machine I've got here is the IDS 18V-200T. It is a brushless 18-volt impact driver utilizing a 1/2-inch socket. Now, the main part of this product is the fact that when you apply a specific setting and then go and do your application, the machine will give you feedback whether you've been successful at tightening that application to the specified torque. I can give you an example here of what would happen if you do it incorrectly. You hear the alarm, and also the LED on the back goes yellow. If it was successful, you wouldn't hear the sound, and obviously that would go green.
So repeated pressings of the button at the bottom, the mode button there, will bring you round to the display saying H. This is for high torque. So this would negate any of the programming that you have set up in the machine and give you 300 Newton meters of tightening torque. So the maximum the machine can handle.
The machine's tolerance when it comes to torque is plus and minus 15%. So that's what you want with one of these tools. You need it to be extra precise.
With regards to durability, we have an incredibly robust gearbox on this model. Add to that the fact we have a Hall sensor switch, good for 1 million cycles.
In addition, this machine is also NFC compatible, which means you can connect this to a smart device, and you can have a look at things like the service history, as well as look at the tightening assessment report.
So the next two machines we want to take a look at here, I have the ISR 18V-30P. The P refers to a precision clutch. Both of these machines are fitted with that. On the front here, we have a 10mm 3-jaw chuck. Now, when we come to the second machine here, the ISR 18V-30PHX, we're still talking about a precision clutch in here, which we'll cover momentarily. Except we don't have the 10mm 3-jaw chuck, we have a 1/4-inch drive hex fitting on the front. When we refer to the precision clutch, it means in situations when you're tightening a screw, as soon as that torque's reached, it backs off the power, stops the machine dead and prevents you from overrunning the screw, potentially stripping the screw's head.
Right. The machines both have a maximum RPM of 1,400. In the drive mode, that is a maximum torque of 30 Newton meters. As you can see, both machines are exceptionally compact. However, you can also get a small suspension hook to hang these from the ceiling. And just like the IDS, these machines also feature that NFC connectivity. So in summary, with these industrialized tools, there's three main things. We need to have that industrial level of durability. These machines need to last a long time, but they also need to be accurate. We need that industrial level of consistency. When it comes to torque, we need to be accurate. And then lastly, with these machines, we need to have that industrial level of ergonomics. We want small but compact machines that are lightweight.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please feel free to put any comments and questions below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Outtakes.
So we're looking at construction, we're looking at assembly and construction, yeah, assembly, sorry.
Even light plant material, oh, fuck's sake. I don't even know what I'm going to say.
So what are you going to say before we start? However, it can actually reach 300 Newton meters of torque.
Is that when you want me to flick it? You keep changing when you want me to turn it over.
Yeah, and lastly, but not leastly,
well, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment below. Oh, shut it.
You son of a